Welcome back. In the previous video for the two-body system, the Casimir force formula was derived in equations 1 and 2, including the integration along the real frequency axis. In this video, we want to understand that the integration is replaced by the summation of poles along the imaginary frequency axis. This is called Wick rotation approach, and this significantly reduces the computation time. To validate the equivalence of equations 2 and 3, so let's go through the mathematical step. We use a control integral. Equation 2 is rewritten in the form of equation 4. From the denominator term, now we know there are poles along the imaginary frequency axis, as shown in the schematic. The integration path is selected to exclude those poles. The control integral gives equation 5. The integration part consists of 3 terms. The first term corresponds to real frequency axis. The second term corresponds to circles to exclude poles. The third term corresponds to arc, which becomes 0. The right-hand side is 0 due to no poles in the closed loop. From equation 5 and some algebra, we obtain the equivalence of equations 2 and 3. I hope the mathematical step is clear for the Wick rotation approach.